So guys, Qualcomm will hold its annual tech summit on November 15, where the company will unveil the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC. And soon after the unveiling, Xiaomi might launch its Xiaomi 13 series, which would be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. The Xiaomi 13 series might include Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro smartphones. And now, according to a new information, the internal testing of MIUI 14 for the Xiaomi 13 and 13 Pro has begun, and both devices will launch next month. The MIUI 14 is based on Android 13, which means the smartphones will run Android 13. Currently, the beta version of the MIUI 14 is being tested internally, and the stable version is also underway for the Xiaomi 13 series. The MIUI 14 would bring significant improvements all around, with some changes in its design language. The Xiaomi 13 could feature a 6.38-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD Plus resolution, which is slightly larger than the 6.28-inch display of the Xiaomi 12. On the other hand, the Xiaomi 13 Pro is set to feature the same display size as that of the Xiaomi 12 Pro, which is a 6.73-inch panel. The display on the Xiaomi 13 Pro would support a Quad HD Plus resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. Just like the Xiaomi 12 Pro, the Xiaomi 13 Pro would also feature a triple camera setup at the back. The main camera is gonna be a 50 megapixel lens along with a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens and a 50 megapixel telephoto lens. This is the same camera setup that we saw on the Xiaomi 12 Pro, but the camera sensors would be upgraded. The Xiaomi 13 could feature a dual camera setup. The main camera could feature a 50 megapixel lens along with another 50 megapixel lens. There is no information about its battery and fast charging capabilities. To recall, the Xiaomi 12 Pro came with the 4600 mAh battery with 120 watt fast charging support. So we can expect a similar or a slightly larger battery on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. The Xiaomi 13 series is set to make its debut later next month in its home market China. More on this will be covered on my channel, so do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.